Evergreen. Candid. New trends in Icse computer skills for class 1.
Computer, a machine. Key concepts: human-made and natural objects. Computer, a machine and its characteristics. Types of computers.
Dad, what happened?
My computer's not working properly. I'm trying to power on the computer, but it's not responding to it. Oh, I forgot to power on the main switch.
Main switch? Does computer runs on electricity?
Yes, son. Computer is an electronic machine.
Machine? What is Dad?
Listen, it's time for dinner.
Oh, it's time for dinner. So save this quest for your teacher when you will go to school tomorrow. Okay, son?
Okay, Dad.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am?
Yes, Rohan.
Ma'am, yesterday my dad told me that computer is an electronic machine. What is machine, ma'am?
Okay, you can sit.
Very much useful. Please tell us, what are the things computer can do for us? Oh, so computer is our
Parts of a computer. Main parts of a computer, meaning